Tagetik to make our reporting process more efficient. We started with doing all manual consolidations, but as we expanded since 2015 from 1 company to 60 now, manual processes are not possible. So Tagetik facilitated us really in making that process more efficient, and also let the companies that we put in place in Normec, let them keep their decentral processes and their decentral reporting, but also be able to upload their figures to us on a group level. Also, we made big steps in finalizing our annual report. Also much faster if each entity submits in time and with the same way of reporting. So we chose it because of the flexibility mainly and the easy implementation for our companies. When I started at Normec 3 years ago, we started the consolidation manually somewhere around working day 6 or 7. Then we started it. Then we maybe had some adjustments. So before you knew, it was a working day 10 that you had first time real figures of a business unit. Now we close at working day 5 and those figures are final. Okay, and sometimes it maybe takes up to working day 7 to have a group figure, but we are somewhere between 5 and 7 already. So that's a huge win.
And since last year, we have also been adding non-financial data, like sales KPIs, operational KPIs. So it doesn't stop at working day 5. We have added some additional working days to also gather additional data in Tagetik for all those companies, which we then also push towards our reporting.
So what we started with in terms of reporting environment was first focusing on our actual reporting for the financial statements and giving insights to, for example, the banks on a monthly basis of our performance. Once we had that and available on working day 5, the board kept asking for more data because they were, of course, very inspired by the data we had. And then we started using Power BI, and we partnered up with cpmVision to make that data available even for the board on their phones, for example, so that they can see on working day 5 how we performed. But that also led to the next step in Tagetik. So we started also budgeting in Tagetik. We started forecasting in Tagetik.
My favorite thing about CCH Tagetik is, I think, the flexibility. What I mentioned earlier, as soon as we acquire a company, 30 days later we can already report on the figures, not only on the month we've been covering, but also for last year, if the year before, if needed.
For me, it's, I think, the different options you have to look to the data, because we have a very decentralized organization and you can make all kind of views that you want to see. If you want to look at your business units, that's a level that we use for the finance directors in my team to steer their businesses. You can look at a more summarized level, that's what the board is looking at, and it's all very easy to combine and to reconcile.